Hi everybody, I'm Bill and welcome to Hill Country Prepared. Today we're making a Christmas favorite around our house. It's Christmas jam and it's quick, easy, and inexpensive to make. So let's get right into it. You'll need to get some things together before you begin. Cranberries, strawberries, an orange, ground clove, ground cinnamon, and white sugar. I'll list all the ingredients in the description below. We've already put the cranberries into a colander. A bowl would have worked as well. So let's start zesting the orange, like this. You can zest citrus without a zester, but it's a little more involved. Amber in the Kitchen has a really good video on the different ways to zest citrus without a zester. Here's a link to her content. There's a link in the description below if you want to get your own zester. While we zest the orange, go ahead and press down on that thumbs up button and give this video a like. Once the whole orange has the zest removed, you'll need to peel and section it. Then cut the orange sections into small pieces, like this. Roughly half-inch pieces works well. A lot of people will start using a food processor at this point, but it's really not necessary and just one more thing that has to be cleaned. All of that leftover orange rind is going to go into our compost bin later. Next is the strawberries. With the tops already removed, just slice them into rough quarter pieces. They don't have to be perfect slices. With all the strawberry chunks and the orange zested and sliced, it's time to get out a large cooking pot. We use a 5.5 quart pot. If you like this simple jam recipe so far, go ahead and subscribe and ring that notification bell so you'll get an alert every time we upload some new videos. Now put all of that fruit into the pot. And then add about half a cup of water. Then turn on your burner to a medium heat setting. Now let's add some spice. That's 1/4 teaspoon each of ground clove and ground cinnamon. But we always use a little bit more of each. It depends on your taste and what you like. Now, once you have all the fruit, spices, and water, you'll need to stir it often while it's on the heat. This recipe calls for 4 cups of sugar, but that's a lot. We're going to start out with 2 level cups, and we'll add a third later. You can always add more sugar if it's not sweet enough. Now the sweetness will depend upon how tart your cranberries are. Now let's stir it all together. Then let it cook down for a while and taste it. After a while, your cranberries will start popping. After about 30 minutes, it will start to thicken up. Some people choose to use fruit pectin, but we've never had a need to. There are lots of ways to tell when it's thick enough and ready. Here's what we do. Dip the spoon into the mixture, lift it out, and turn the spoon with the back facing forward. Just draw a line in the back of the spoon with your finger and hold it up. If the juices don't run on the spoon, it's ready. Now you can remove it from the heat and get ready to put the jam into canning jars. What simple and inexpensive recipe ideas do you have? Leave us a comment below and let us know. Just follow all of the recommendations for canning fruit jams and jellies. We're eating this one first, so it's going into a nice decorative jar. You could hot water bath these small canning jars, but the jam is still really hot and they'll seal just fine without a bath. Christmas jam is a simple and delicious treat that everyone on your holiday gift list will love. I hope you give it a try yourself. Be sure and watch this video next for more Hill Country Prepared cooking.
Oh my God, you're so good.
Good job.